I have been using the Zeblaze Stratos 4 for the past few days now, and there are a lot of things which have impressed me about this smartwatch. In this video, I'm going to be talking about all of them to help you decide if it is the best option for you or not. Before moving further in the video, if you are new here, I would really appreciate if you can hit the subscribe button to appreciate my work. Starting from the body, it's really durable and won't break off easily. I've tried a lot of drop tests on it and it has been handling them extremely well. I have it for about a month now and I'm sure that you won't be able to tell from the body condition. The Zeblaze Stratos 4 is a GPS swimming smartwatch. It is 5 ATM and IP69K level waterproof, so whether you are taking a bath, swimming or walking in a rainy day, you won't have to take off your smartwatch. There's one thing that I really like about this smartwatch. It also comes with a real flashlight, and using it in the dark, I think that it's a real blessing. And made for adventures, it is literally one of the best thing about this smartwatch. The straps are also really comfortable. It uses 22mm straps and sits really well on every wrist size. After that, it uses an AMOLED display, because of which I am really satisfied with the display colors. And not only the colors, even the display brightness is really good and it will be clearly visible even in the daylight. We also get many always on display options in it, and thanks to the AMOLED display, it won't drain much of your battery. Using the Glorifit Pro application, you can also choose many other always on display styles, and not just that, you can also choose a new watch face from a number of watch faces available in the dial market. The watch faces are also really well designed and they show a lot of information on them. Unlike the always on display, the normal screen can stay on for a maximum of 60 seconds, but thanks to the gestures, you can simply raise your hand or tap on the screen to wake up the display. Being a sports smartwatch, we get a lot of sport modes inside it, and a good thing about it is that for the outdoor modes, it even supports GPS. Yes, the smartwatch comes with built-in GPS, and whenever you choose any outdoor mode, it's going to search for the GPS signals, and once the GPS is connected, it's going to start the sports mode. During the sports mode, it's going to show all of the important metrics. You can also swipe to control the media playing on the device and swipe from left to right to look at the GPS path. Thanks to the GPS, it can also help you in getting back to the starting point by showing you the path and the compass. The compass is not only available in the sports mode, you can even access it directly from the menu, where it also shows the altitude as well as the barometer data. I also tested the sports mode to see if the pedometer is trustworthy or not. So let's head over to the conclusion. So I'm back after the sports mode test. I used the indoor walking mode, and if you scroll down here, it has counted 488 steps. So I also took my iPhone with me. Let's go to the health application. I'm gonna go to steps. Here's the data for the day, and here it is. It has counted 491 steps. So it is literally insane. There's only a difference of 3 steps, and the smartwatch has also passed my pedometer test. To keep you one step ahead of the weather, it also synchronizes the data from the Glorifit Pro application and shows you all of the important information as well as the weather for the upcoming hours and the upcoming days. Some of the watch faces are also designed to show the weather for the day. It also includes many health related applications, including the heart rate checker, the blood oxygen level checker, as well as the sleep tracker. The sleep tracker has been working extremely well for me. It tracks all stages of sleep as well as the awake time. And one thing that I personally really like about it is that it not only keeps a track of the sleep during the night, but it can also keep a track of the naps during the day. I also did the Oximeter test pre-workout as well as post-workout. So let's head over to that. While doing the Oximeter test, make sure that you're wearing the smartwatch at a 2-finger distance from the wrist bone. So let's do our first reading. As you can see that both of them are currently showing similar values, and as the value is going down on the Oximeter, it is also going down on the smartwatch. And let's run it once again. And once again, the values shown on both of the devices are quite similar. And as you can see that as the value increases on the Oximeter, it also increases on the smartwatch. After that, I did a little exercise to see if the value will increase on the smartwatch just like the Oximeter or not. So I am back. Let's do the Oximeter test once again. So currently the smartwatch is showing 136 beats per minute and the value is going higher. And as you can see that both of them are currently showing similar values, 141 beats per minute on the smartwatch and 140 beats per minute on the Oximeter. The smartwatch also includes many basic smartwatch features You can connect with the Glorifit Pro application to synchronize all of your health data. It can also sync with Apple Health as well as Strava. And not just that, you can also receive push notifications directly on your smartwatch. And by enabling the Bluetooth calling feature from the control center, you can also receive calls from your smartphone directly on the smartwatch. Then we also have the utility applications like stopwatch, which can also run in the background. You can also set up alarms, use timer, as well as the calculator application in it. And the alarm is really loud. I've been testing it for the past 3 to 4 days now, and if it can wake me up from sleep, then it can surely wake you up too. In the end, I would like to talk about the battery life, which has been really impressive. Even with the always on display turned on, this smartwatch can easily last you 7 to 10 days, and it charges really quickly. Even if you use a low voltage charger, it can still charge from 0% to 100% in 1 to 2 hours. To conclude the video, I would like to say that Zeblaze has always impressed me with its quality as well as its price. The smartwatch is really well designed, it has a really good display and a great battery life. And looking at it as a sports smartwatch, it ticks all of the boxes. It has a good oximeter sensor, and we also get a great pedometer sensor as well as built-in GPS. If I've missed anything in the video, make sure to let me know about that in the comment section below. If you would like to get one for yourself, I would really appreciate if you can use the link given in the description box. If the video helped you out, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up button and turn on notifications. I will catch you in the next one.